Welcome to Spain, welcome to Malaga. Please remain seated. As soon as the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off, you may collect your luggage from the luggage bins. Please take care when opening your luggage bins so that any hand luggage that may have shifted does not fall out. You may now switch on your telephone and other devices. And please respect the distance rules and remain seated until the passengers in front of you move towards the exit. And to minimize the spread of COVID-19, please keep an appropriate distance to each other upon disembarking the aircraft and throughout your stay in the terminal buildings. During your stay in the terminal buildings, you must wear a face mask. Upon disembarkation, your documents may be checked again. Please have your documents ready for inspection. Stay healthy and give each other space and ensure good hygiene practice. Thank you for your cooperation. And on behalf of the crew, thank you very much for flying with KLM. We hope to welcome you on board again soon and wish you a pleasant stay or a pleasant continuation of your journey.